from Shein, the bag is from Shein. So like, here's a cute outfit.
Black Snow HD.
And welcome back to my channel. So Baba did me wrong, so now I'm gonna fix my hair again from someone else who's different. So hopefully he will do a good job. If not, I'm gonna cry. Like literally I'm going to cry quick. And also I'm gonna be delivering Shein orders, okay? Shein business, like next year we're gonna start like a real business, like from Shein. That is. Let me go put this away and let me show you my outfit so we can head out. Guys, this is how I look, you know? Everything's from Shein. The pants are from Shein. The shirt, the top is from Shein. The bag is from Shein. The beanies from Shein. Everything literally is from Shein except for the shoes, obviously. But yeah, man, this is me. I look so cute. I look like a Betty. Period. And I'm about to look like a real ass Betty when I'm done. Okay, can you guys really see me? Like, I really hope you can see me, hey? But this is your girl. Let's head out. Heading out, but I ended up changing the hoodie because I feel like my outfit is like literally black and white. There's nothing to really coordinate with the beanie. So if I had maybe like a pink top as well or pink shoes or something, that was gonna be better. But like it's literally the only pink thing on me, and I just feel like, you know, it doesn't really match to the vibe. So I just put on a cap. So yeah, guys, let us head out, hey, because people are waiting for me, and obviously time is going, and I know I'm gonna be out for a while because nail appointments, really, there'll always be like a lot of customers, and I don't know what I am because I know there's a lot, but hopefully it's not. Let's head out. See you guys in the next clip. HDs, so I am back. Last time when I saw you guys is when I was doing my nails, and as you can see, the babies are done, but I don't really like them. Yo, let me tell you. So firstly, when like she was failing my nails, she was hurting me. Like she was hurting the living cack out of me. I was even bleeding, dude, and you can even see here. Look, I'm hurt. She was hurting me. Second of all, she made mistakes. Like literally, it's like she doesn't even know what she is doing. Look at the flower. Just look at it. Thirdly, she has the audacity to charge me 300. Even if you can see what she did shit to the nails. They don't look bad, but like when you look closely, you can see what the details is not giving. So yeah, today was a muhu, like it was a muhu. But other than that, my hair as well, guys, my hair is dead. I didn't show you guys my hair, but my hair is dead, and I am so happy how my hair turned out. Like at least something out of the maintenance day, something looked good, which is my hair. So So in the morning when I left, I did a video, right? So I wanted to show you guys my perfumes, because like in the previous vlog, my birthday vlog is out, by the way. So if you're gonna watch the birthday vlog, I showed you guys get perfumes, right? But only boxes. So now I want to show you what was inside the boxes and sort of like my perfume collection. So I just remember that no, actually there is a certain vlog whereby I was talking about the perfumes, and this is like completely a different vlog. So I'm sorry about that, but then there will be a vlog that is pretty much a reset vlog whereby I'm cleaning and all of that. So yeah, that's when I showed you guys my perfume collection. So I'm so sorry for that. I just, you know, yeah, I messed up the videos. But guys, I just wanted to show you that I bought those hair products, obviously for my curls. I'm gonna like show you guys proper videos of me showing you my nails and also my hair. I will insert them after this clip, but pretty much this is that. So I don't know why my energy is so low, but so pretty much we have color activator gel with glycerine. Okay, so yeah, and then we have the spray, the hairspray. So pretty much I'm going to be using those two to maintain my hair. Guys, my energy is so slow because like honestly it's been such a long day. Like you saw guys, I was supposed to deliver an order to this other girl, but then you know I didn't end up finding her. I looked for her everywhere. Like I looked for her everywhere. I was so tired. I'm literally tired. I'm exhausted. I'm hungry. So tomorrow I might have plans if they don't get cancelled, if the weather does not act up, because one thing about me, I do not like going out when the weather is gloomy, when it's raining. I just don't like going out. So we'll see how tomorrow the weather behaves, and if I do go out tomorrow, obviously guys, I will vlog for you, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be feeling a lot better. Right now honestly I just want to like put on lashes, and I want to take videos, you know, and post them on my TikTok. So if you do follow me on TikTok, you will see that, but if you don't, here's my TikTok handle, here's my Instagram handle. Please go follow me on all my socials. Guys, I am so sorry for this energy, and I feel like you guys will understand me much better now because I'm like talking really slow, and it's like, excuse me, and it's actually making sense because normally I'll be talking fast and stuff, but anyway, it's not about that. So guys, I will see you tomorrow. So let me just do the videos of my nails and my hair, then I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi HDs, and welcome back to another day. So guys, today I'm going to the carnival with my cousin. Pretty much I was supposed to go with my two friends and my cousin as well, but then my two friends couldn't make it. I know, but it's fine, yeah. I'll just go with my cousin and we're gonna have fun, and we're planning to go to the next location. So fingers crossed it will happen, but if it doesn't happen, it's life. I'm not gonna bitch about it. So guys, right now I want to get ready. I will show you get ready with me. I don't have an outfit as of yet, but I do have an outfit in my mind. So now I'm going to lotion myself, and then pretty much I will see you guys when we pick an outfit. Okay, so like here's a cute outfit, nothing too hectic. So jeans, top, my face shoes, some glasses and accessories. I'll see you guys after I just put on this outfit. This is my outfit: top from Shein, accessories from Shein, all of them, bag from Mr. Price, pants from Makula shop, shoes from Shein, and chains as well from Shein. Lego.
Drip check, drip check. Okay, I see you.
You ready? Hey, I got no one can come. Hey, hey, no. Eh?
Next location type of thing. So like when I'm the last ride, then we out of here. Bouncing like for one typing. So it's nice to vibe, man. Like
Oh, nice.
yeah, come on, update. Yes. Hi the world. The Johnny Hi. Oh, the view is nice from here. Oh my god. What a nice view. I love this view. Guys, look. Guys, oh my god, what a nice view. What a nice view. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Oh my lord. Yeah. With my glasses.
Iya, iyo, iya, iya, iyo. Bakal.
has paint, imagine.